Hello everyone, Jan here today from Needle, and in today's video I'm going to show you our integration of Needle into Langflow. If you don't know Langflow is an amazing tool which allows you to build AI workflows with actually very little code, actually no code or low code applications. So we have integrated the Needle API into Langflow, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can actually build an AI accountant, so an AI agent that allows you to summarize your invoices. So to do that, first of all, we have to create a collection with the Needle and upload some files to it. So in this case, I have uploaded 10 files to this collection, and these files are actually invoices or sample invoices of different companies to Needle. And then we can go over to Langflow. In this case here, I can create a new flow, and you can choose from templates here. And in this case, you can say, I want to choose from my template here, in this case the invoice summarizer, and this is the one which we use to demonstrate Needle in this case. And I have created this, or I already started this template here, invoice summarizer. If I click on it, you see here that we are within the window of the invoice summarizer. And what basically happens here is that Needle is used as a tool with the combination of the Langflow agent. And what that means is that the agent kind of decides of how to use the tool. So Needle is used as a tool in this case. So normally, Needle is like used to search through your collections and your different data sources. What that means in this case is that since Langflow has this specific agent and Needle is used as a tool here in this case, it means that the agent decides of how to use the tool. So the agent knows about the Needle tool, and it knows it can search through the collection, and the collection holds different invoices. But actually how it invokes the Needle API is decided only by the agent itself and not by the end user. And this is really great because this makes it kind of flexible and an agentic workflow to let kind of the agent decide of how to use the tool, which is then allowing you to have your AI agent accountant in the end. And so how it works in Langflow is that you have to then here add your Needle API key. And to do that, you would go over here to Needle, and your API key you find in settings. Additionally, you have to say which collection you want to use. And in this case, you want to go over here and copy your collection ID. I mean, you can also take it from the URL, and the collection ID should be the collection where you have your files inside. So now I've copied over the collection ID as well as the API key here into the Needle retriever. As you can see, here's the Needle retriever. So what we can do then here within Langflow, we can trigger the workflow here by hitting the start button. And now the agent is calling the Needle tool. And finally we see we got the result. It actually retrieved very fast the result. And here you see it tells us about the expense report. And so we prompted the agent in a way that we want that the agent creates us like an overview or breakdown over the different vendors. And this is based on all the invoices we have within the Needle collection. And then we also want that we get some recommendations or cost optimizations from that. So as you see, this is a really, really powerful tool which allows you to actually do a very fast agentic workflow of analyzing all your different invoices, which you just simply drop into a Needle collection, and then you actually combine this with Langflow agent, and in this case using the Langflow agent and Needle as a tool, which is then orchestrated by the Langflow agent. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us or send us a message in our Discord channel. I think this is actually a really cool workflow, and I think this is a huge help for many of you who deal every day with a lot of invoices. And we really encourage you just to try out Langflow, and especially also the Needle tool within Langflow, to build some amazing workflows that help you to reduce the time you spend on tasks that you can actually automate. And thank you very much for watching, and see you soon. Happy automating.